Hello everyone, welcome to my channel www.youtube.com/affordable products market 7075. Today we are here with the best topic of 10 best crappy reels with buying guides and reviews. You are introducing the crappy fishing world where your choice of reel can significantly impact your success as an angler reel. There is an enormous increase in demand for the best crappie reels in this thrilling sport with the best gear to reel in your catch. These products provide a smooth approach to improving your fishing experience. The top 10 crappie reels are described here, each with unique characteristics and abilities to meet various fishing demands. Before moving on the top 10 list, subscribe my YouTube channel www.youtube.com/affordable products market 7075. Don't forget to like the video, share this to your friends. Number 1. Use Carapi Thunder Jigging Fishing Reel 2 bearing system, right hand retrieve Carapi Thunder Green. Features the two bearing system guarantee a productive and seamless operation, dependable and long lasting due to the use of high quality materials. Right handed anglers will find the right hand retrieve design to be straightforward to utilize. The Crappy Thunder Green fish has a strike appearance. Number 2. Use Carapi Thunder's underspin fishing reels 4.31 gear ratio, right or left hand retrieve Crappy Thunder reels. Features that 4.31 gear ratio offer a steady and smooth retrieve for crappie reels fishing to accommodate the tastes of fishermen. It is offered in both right and left hand layouts, constructed using premium material to guarantee longevity and dependability. Number 3. Use Carapi Thunder Custom Trawler Rod. Features exceptional bite detection sensitivity, a long-lasting graphite structure guarantees durability, created especially for user involving trolling. EVA form grip that are comfortable for prolonged fishing sessions, flapless handling, and exact control. Number 4. Use Crappy Thunder Solo Crappy Reels. The features long-term use, fetishistic face by lightweight design, a precise drag system, optimally controlled fish fight, flexible performance in a variety of fishing methods, robust construction for enduring performance in the water, effective line management. Number 5. Use Fishing WMR5 Signature Series Crappie Reels Clam Pack Black. Features the retriever motion is smooth, making line management simple. The robust graphic construction ensure a long-lasting performance. Graphic fights can be precisely controlled with an adjustable track system. Transport and storage are made convenient using clam pack packing. Number 6. B&M Paul's Bucks Best Ultralight Crappie Reels 2 features long fishing outings are less taxing due to the lightweight construction. A smooth drag technology ensure precise control of crappie boats for easy handling and mobility. It is an ergonomics and small, robust design enduring harsh environment and repeated use high speed gear ratio. Number 7. Tika SS500 Trot Spinning Series Crappie Pan Fishing Series 5.2 gear ratio features an adaptable design ideal for panfish, crappie, and trot. Power and speed are balanced with an ideal 5.2 gear ratio, easy functioning for accurate casting and retrieval. Reliability and lifespans are ensured by sturdy construction, smooth drag system. Number 8. Use MC8HW Mr. Crappie Mega Stall. Features deep stalling less frequently is required when there is an extensive lines capacity. Bite detection is improved by high visibility line, practically in poor light or deep water. Extended functionality is ensured by robust construction, decreased line memories. Number 9, Tika LF500 Trout Fishing Series, Crappie Pan Fishing Series 5.2 Gear Ratio Multi. Feature and adaptable design, ideal for panfish, crappie, and trout. Power and speed are balanced with an ideal 5.2 gear ratio, easy functioning for accurate casting and retrieval. Reliability and lifespans are ensured by sturdy construction, lightweight design. Number 10, use Mr. Crappie Mega Spall monofilament fishing line 8 pound, test in low memory and stretch camo. Features strong enough to handle hostile carapace. Line tangles and twists are lessened by low memory. The ability to detect bites is improved by control stretching. Camouflage coloring offers stealth in a range of aquatic environment, flexible texture. Now we are going to share some customer feedbacks and reviews. You can see screenshot on the screen which are helpful for you to choose a good one according to your needs and requirements. Thanks for watching. Join us on our official website www.affordableproductmarket.com/careerreels slash join us on other social platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, TikTok, Pinterest, and YouTube. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.